Hi, I'm Dan from PiPcall, a London-based telecoms company. I'm going to give you a quick overview of our mobile app today. So this video is just a quick overview of the key features of the app. If you want to get into more detail about some of the features, we have some other video resources available in the how-to video section of our website. Right, so the app just sits on your phone just like any other app would. It doesn't take up too much space on the phone, has low CPU and low battery usage, which is a really great advantage for BYOD. The app really was designed to be used on personal mobiles, and I think that's key. It can be used on business mobiles, but really on the personal mobile is where it works the best. Right, so I've just opened the app. I've opened it up onto history. So we have 4 tabs under here. At the bottom of the screen, we've got history, contacts, favorites, voicemail, and we have the dial section. So really simple to use. It's all about voice calls. It's all about calls in and out. I can also send text messages as well. I have an 07 number. So the numbers you can have, mine's an 07 number. You can also have geographic numbers. You can also use your existing business numbers and transfer them over. But let me take you through some things here. So if I want to add a contact, I simply just come into this section here, new contact, new contact, put in the number, let's make one up, add. So I have the new contact now in my app right here. And then I also have history. So history is all my call and text history as well, all in here, all in one place. Then I have my favorites. So if I have people that I want to call, that I call all the time, some kind of key customers, I just simply come into the contact section, click on that customer, click on the star. Then as you can see, back in favorites, there it is, added. So the voicemail has all the standard functions for setting a greeting, setting a personalized greeting from when you're away, and also gives you access to that. So remember, all of these features are held inside the app, and none of these features here interact with any of your personal apps. So no contacts will go into your personal contacts, no personal contacts will come into your business contacts. So that's a really great thing. It separates business from personal. One of the other features that separates business from personal is the do not disturb feature. So if I come out of here, I go into here, and I go into help and settings. I've got this do not disturb feature here, and I can turn that on. So that means after hours, I can turn PiPcall off, and I won't get any business calls. They'll all go directly to my voicemail. Turn that back on. PiPcall uses your existing mobile minutes. Lots of people have unlimited mobile minutes, which means when they're making calls from PiPcall, it'll just be part of that package. If you don't want to incur any cost whatsoever and you don't have unlimited minutes, you can simply turn on the Ring Me Back function. And this is a special patented function within PiPcall. And all that happens is that when I call somebody, I'll call Rehan, my colleague here, for example. It'll connect the call and it calls you back. And this is a callback function, and I simply press that again and then it calls. So this way you incur no cost at all for that call there. So I'll stop that. And then I can go back to normal calling, and this is where you're going to use your personal mobile minutes. So what I will do quickly now is actually make a couple of calls just so you can see what it's like making calls. Now remember, this number that you see here is my number, and this is what all the people that I call from the app will see. So let me call. Again, I'll call Rehan. So here you can see it's calling. And then you can see, so this is Rehan's phone there, so that's me calling him. So just like that, it's very simple to make the calls. The most important thing to remember with that is that that call was made over the mobile voice network, not internet. So when you're out and about, or if you're in in a building that has poor Wi-Fi, this is really important. It means you're going to get the best quality calls. And that means that even when you are working out of the office, professionalism stays at a high standard. And there's nothing worse than having poor quality calls or dropped calls when you're talking to customers. It makes them frustrated, it makes you frustrated, and it's not good for anybody. So really that's the key. The key difference here is that call quality from the technology that we have here that makes calls over the mobile voice network and not the internet. It's the same for incoming calls as well. So one of the great things about PiPcall as a mobile app, as opposed to traditional apps, you don't have to have the app open. So it doesn't have to be open and burning your battery the whole time. You can close down the app and you're still going to receive a call. So here Rayhan's going to give me a call. I've got the app closed. And here we go. So it's really easy to distinguish between a personal call and a PiPcall. So let me answer that. And there it is, pretty basic. And you see that number there, that's Rayhan's PiPcall number, not his personal number. So it's really important that you distinguish business from personal with a BYOD solution. So that's basically PiPcall, just a key overview. We've got plenty more videos for you to look through, and if you have any questions about any particular feature, feel free to call us or watch some of our other how-to videos that go through in detail some of the particular features. Thanks.